Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And in today's video we have something special for World Sugar Coated Cookie Day, and what I have with me is a box of cookies. Yes, it is a Royal Dansk, and from childhood I've been seeing these boxes at home. Basically, whenever I should open it, the only thing I should find inside that would be like small thing like sewing needles or threads and stuff. I know everybody might have seen that, but today I have actually gone ahead and bought this cookie box. So I'm very excited right now to try this out. So guys, this is the Royal Dansk cookies, and today we are going to review this. So let's start off with the packaging. It's a classic packaging that is there. It comes in this tin container right here. We have the Royal Dansk branding right in front, embossed right here. You can see Royal Dansk written right here. It is made in Denmark and 100% pure butter cookies. Danish butter cookies, biscuit Danois au beurre. Okay, baked with only the finest ingredients. Net weight is 340 grams. So this is a 340 gram pack that I'm holding right here with me. On the side again we can see the Royal Dansk branding right here, and the illustration of the cookies can be seen here as well on the main. So you get different type or shapes of cookies in this. So this is the butter cookies that I have. You also get assorted flavors as well. This is a butter cookie one which I have. On the back of the pack, again we can see the MRP of the product and the net weight here, which is 340 grams, which is given. And MRP in India for this is 600 bucks. So really expensive. 600 rupees for 340 grams of cookies. Ingredients is wheat flour, butter, 28% butter. So a lot of butter, damn. Sugar, desiccated coconut, invert sugar salt, raising agents, ammonium hydrogen carbonate, natural flavors, vanilla. Allergy advice: contains wet wheat milk, may contain traces of hazelnut, macadamia nut, and pecan nut. So that's all the information that we have. It's a pure vegetarian product. So guys, let's go ahead and open it. Okay, to open it, I think it is sealed with the tape. I'll just quickly remove the tape off the um, cookie box and put that aside. And now it's time to reveal the cookies. Let me try to open it. Okay. First off, inside, buttery smell, sweet buttery smell coming from the cookies. Amazing. Look how they are presented. It's so well presented inside this tin box in individual paper cups. Right here you can see different shapes of cookies. So I'm going to show that to you all. Before that, let's look at this. What we have, there's a paper inside, butter paper right here. It again has a Royal Dansk branding right on it. Our butter cookies are baked in Denmark. The original Royal Dansk butter cookies are loved and shared by people all over the world. Our butter cookies are baked in Denmark using the original trusted recipe, taking great care to respect the traditional Danish baking practices. Only the finest ingredients are used in the creation of our delicious butter cookies. Our authentic Royal Dansk butter cookies are the perfect cookies for festive gatherings. They capture the spirit of any season. Their signature shape, texture, look, and aroma are truly inviting. The recognizable royal blue package and the Royal Dansk brand are, as always, your assurance of high quality. One more reason why our cookies are the #1 Danish butter cookies sold in the USA. So what there we have like 5 different type of cookies in this. So first off is the pretzel cookie. So here is a pretzel cookie, pretzel shaped cookie right here. This is a pretzel shaped cookie that we have, shaped like a pretzel and beautifully decorated with crystallized sugar. This cookie is a sure favorite, crispy, buttery, and delicious. So this is a pretzel shaped cookie, and you can actually see the crystallized sugar on top of it. So this is a pretzel cookie, and we get 2 packs of it. And each shape cookie we have 8 of each shape. So in total we have like 40 cookies here, right? We have a total of 40 cookies. right here with us. Uh, then next is the vanilla ring cookie. So this is the vanilla ring cookie. This is how it looks in spiral shape. This is the vanilla ring cookie. Let's see what it says about the vanilla ring cookie. A signature piece in Danish butter cookie assortment. This reed-shaped vanilla ring is sure to be crowd pleaser, buttery with delicious taste and aroma of vanilla. Strong vanilla fragrance from it. The next one we have is a coconut style cookie. So guys, this is a coconut style cookie right here. This is the coconut style cookie that I have right here with me. It says a delicate and crisp texture makes this cookie a melt in your a melt in your mouth experience combined with a coconut taste. This cookie is pure goodness. So this is the coconut shaped cookie, coconut style cookie. Then is a finished bread cookie. So this is a finished bread cookie that I have right here. This is a finished bread cookie, a rectangular shaped cookie right here, again with crystallized sugar on it. The oblong cookie with crystallized sugar sprinkled on top is a very traditional holiday treat in Denmark, crispy and delicious. So that is about this one. And then the last type is the country style cookie. So guys, this is a country style cookie, a normal looking cookie right here. It says the round country style cookie is a perfect combination of crispy sweetness and a light buttery flavor, pure goodness. So these were the 5 different types of cookies that we get. We get 8 pieces of each in this box. See how well they have been assorted. So there are like 4 here, 4 here. Like these, each of these containers has 4 each in it, and there are 2 containers of 1 each shape. We have 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So a total of 10 containers inside this box. So there are 40 total 40 cookies that we get. Now I'm going to do a quick taste test, and we are going to try the pretzel cookie. That's the first one. So I want to do a quick taste test of the pretzel cookie. So I've broken a piece of the pretzel cookie right here, and I'm going to do a quick taste test. I'm going to tell you how good this cookie is. Amazingly soft, amazingly crisp, and the sugar on top just adds a wonderful flavor to it. Very, very buttery, full of butter flavor. Amazing cookie. Now I understand why these cookies are so expensive. They are very soft, very tasty, and very smooth to taste. So the cost, like I told you all, it's rupees 600 for the box, and it's available online as well. I left a link in the description below so you can check it out on Amazon. And guys, yeah, so celebrating the International World Sugar Coated Cookie Day with this amazing box of Royal Dansk cookies. Guys, if you are looking to buy one, it's available on Amazon, like I said. You can buy it directly from the link in the description below. You can buy it directly from there. And guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.